Dear students, today we shall discuss the next question, that is sixth question. Root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Now we have to discuss this. So let us take LHS here. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. So keep on concentration on RHS. I want sec A plus tan A. So I want to remove the square root here. For this one, I will take here 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now I will multiply and divide by its conjugate. What I can write here means 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So here what is there? 1 minus sin A is there. So I will multiply its conjugate, that is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Multiply and divided by 1 plus sin A. Now this is equals to under root of. Now this is of the form A plus B into A plus B. That is A plus B whole square it is. Means 1 plus sin A whole square divided by denominator you see A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B formula, that is A square minus B square. That I can write as 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. Now again, this is equals to, now 1 plus sin A whole square is there. 1 plus sin A whole square divided by, now this is 1 minus sin square A. That is nothing but cos square A. Because of the identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. From that identity, I can write 1 minus sin square A as cos square A. Now, the next step, this is equals to under root of. This I can write as 1 plus sin A divided by cos A whole square. Can I write it? For numerator also square is there, denominator also square is there. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A whole square. Now this square and this square root will get cancelled. So remaining will be what? That is square root get cancelled. Remaining is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Now but I want sec A plus tan A. Now let us divide cos A separately to the numerator. Now this is equal to 1 by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. If you take LCM again, back step we will get. So this is equal to 1 divided by cos A. 1 by cos A is nothing but how much? That is sec A plus sin A divided by cos A. That is sin A by cos A is nothing but what? Tan A. So here I am getting here as RHS. Now here LHS is equal to RHS I am getting. Next question. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. We have to prove this. Now I will take first LHS, then I will prove it by RHS. Now I will take LHS is equal to, let us take the given LHS, that is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Now I want tan theta. Okay. Now in the numerator I can take common as sin theta. Now I will take common as sin theta. Inside what will be there? Sin theta taken outside 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Whole divided by, here I can take common as cos theta. Cos theta. Inside what will be there? 1 constant taken outside. Remaining is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now for next step, sin theta inside. In place of 1 I can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of 1. We know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using that identity I written here. Minus 2 sin square theta. Whole divided by, then cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus, now minus sign is there. So in place of 1 I can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta, but here minus sign is there. So directly I will write minus sine square theta minus into plus, that is minus cos square theta. Okay. So here in place of 1 I can write sine square theta plus cos square theta, but minus is there. That minus will multiply for both. So I will get it as minus. Now this is sine theta into inside sine square theta minus sine square theta, that is minus. Before this I will write this one cos square theta. Now cos square theta written plus sine square theta minus 2 sine square theta, that is minus sine square theta, that is in this way x minus 2x. X minus 2x nothing but what? Minus x. Okay, in that way I can write x square minus 2x square, that will be minus x square. Okay, divided by, now here cos theta inside 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, what will be there? Cos square theta, that is 2x square minus x square, that is x square only. So 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is cos square theta minus. So this is what? Sin square theta. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta get cancelled. Now remaining, that is what? Sin theta divided by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta is nothing but what? Tan theta. So here I am getting as tan theta. Therefore LHS is equal to what? RHS I can write. So LHS equal to RHS. Then next question, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. We have to prove RHS. Now let us take LHS first. LHS is equal to sin A, given value I will take sin A plus cosec A whole square plus then cos A plus sec A whole square. Okay. Now this is of the form A plus B whole square, and this also A plus B whole square. Let us apply A plus B whole square formula here. That is equal to A square means sin square A plus cosec square A plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2 sin A into cosec A. Okay, 2AB plus, now again same formula you can apply here, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2AB, that is 2 cos A into sec A. Again A plus B whole square formula I applied here. Now so I'll write these two first, sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A. Cos square it is, not cosec square. Cos square A. These two terms I written here. Plus now cosec square A plus sec square A. Cosec square A plus sec square A. Okay. These two terms also off. Now come for these two. Now this can be written as this term 2 sin A into cosec A can be written as 1 divided by sin A. Cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A plus for this term 2 cos A into sec A can be written as 1 by cos A. Now this sin will get cancelled. Here cos will be get cancelled. Now this is equal to sin square A plus cos square A. We know the identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus. Now here right side I want in terms of tan and cot. Tan square and cot square I want. But here getting cosec square and sec square I don't want them. So therefore in place of cosec square I use the identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. I can use here as 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. That identity I will use here. So cosec square A is nothing but 1 plus cot square A. We know the formula. plus. Now in place of sec square a, I want to write it as 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. We know the formula. So sec square a is nothing but 1 plus tan square a. Now plus 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 2 into 1, that is also 2. Okay. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. So this is equal to 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Now here I am getting as RHS. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Therefore I can write here as LHS is equal to RHS. We proved this. Ninth question, that is cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equal to 1 divided by tan a plus cot a. Now we'll solve first LHS. Then after getting LHS, I will think of RHS. Whether I need to solve RHS or otherwise I will get RHS here only. Okay, let us solve first LHS. Now LHS is equal to, let us take given cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. Okay. Now this is equal to, this cosec a can be written as 1 divided by sin a minus this sin a written as it is. Then sec a can be written as 1 by cos a minus cos a as it is. Now next up, this is equal to, here I can take LCM as sin a. LCM will be sin a. So 1 minus sin into sin, that is sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. Now for this bracket, here LCM will be cos a. 1 minus cos a multiply here, that is cos square a. Now this is equal to 1 minus sin square a, that can be written as cos square a, because the identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So by using that identity, 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a divided by sin a. Now next step, 1 minus cos square a, that I can write as again same formula you will use here. 1 minus cos square a nothing but sin square a divided by cos a, divided by cos a. So here I am getting is what? Now 1 cos get cancelled. Okay, sin, then sin get cancelled. Numerator what will be there? Sin a is there, here cos a is there. So here I am getting as sin a into cos a. After solving LHS, I got simplified answer this one. Now I will think of RHS. By solving RHS, I should get the same answer. Then I can say LHS equal to RHS. Now I will go for RHS. RHS is equal to, what is that? 1 divided by tan a plus cot a. Given value I take. Now this is equal to 1 divided by, this tan a can be written as what? Sin a divided by cos a plus cot a can be written as cos a divided by sin a. Now this is equal to 1 divided by, here LCM will be sin a and cos a. Sin a into cos a. Here I take an LCM. Now this sin a multiply here, it will be sin square a plus this cos a multiply here, it will be cos square a. Now this sin a into cos a goes to the numerator. This is equal to sin a into cos a divided by, what will be the denominator? Sin square a plus cos square a is there. Sin square a plus cos square a is nothing but 1. You know the identity. So now this is equal to what? Sin a into cos a By solving RHS, I am getting sin A into cos A, and also solving LHS, I am getting sin A into cos A. Now these two are equal, therefore I can write LHS is equal to RHS, because both RHS and LHS I am getting same answer.